What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to disable startup programs in Windows and speed up your PC. First, let's use the Windows settings menu. Search for Settings in your Start menu and hit Enter. Once you're in, click on Apps and then select Startup from the sidebar. You will see a list of all the apps that are set to launch when your PC starts. Each one will have a toggle switch next to it. Simply turn off the toggle of any app you don't need running right away. Apps like Spotify, Discord or game launchers can usually be disabled without affecting system functionality. Just remember, there's no universal list of apps to turn off, so use your judgment and focus on the ones you don't use right after the startup. You can also do this to the Task Manager. Search for a Task Manager in your Start menu and hit Enter. Once it opens, click on the Startup tab. You will see a similar list of programs, along with a status column showing if they're enabled or disabled. Right-click any program you want to stop from launching on startup and then click Disable. Disabling startup apps won't delete them or stop them from running when you open them later. It just keeps them from launching automatically every time you turn on your PC. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.